and a member of this committee.
Murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC Nancy MACHARIA kinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie githomo gutariria gitumi gia kamiti iyo kuhuthira kambuni kiumbe kurugamirira motungata ma urigitani kuri arutani kurumirira mateta na makaya maingi maria makoretwo makiuma kuri arutani riria riothe mathie gwetha motungata ma urigitani. MACHARIA nierire kamiti no ati igeria ria TSC kuhuthira mubango wa SHA kurugamirira arigitani ni waringire IHIGA thutha wa SHA kuuga ndiri na uhoti wa kuheana utungata uyu kuri makiri ma arimu bururi-ini.
We did have a meeting with SHA before we again renewed for this final year, but after meeting them they said they did have structures. They asked for 37 billion to onboard our teachers. But even then, they were not ready to take them this year. Our scheme runs on 20 billion.
Iguru rĩo MACHARIA hithuririe ati SHA yetagia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 37 niguo kuhe arimu othe utungata uyu wa insurance. Kigina kiria ni kia iguru muno kuona budget ya TSC kurugamirira insurance ya arimu ikoragwo iri bilioni 20 o mwaka. Kuri ona thengia wa kuria thirikari mongerere kigina giki ni magire guteithika.
And we try to do everything because we want to be teachers to be happy. But even as we do the capitation and partly fully funded, we also need timely disbursement of funds to the consortium, which we also don't honor sometimes on time because of lack of funds.
And this committee will not relent until the teacher is properly insured, properly covered, and he gets the services that he requires. It cannot be. If you can't procure that, then you stop.
Mwene-ini wao wa bunge ya kamiti ino ni mamenereirie ngirimiti iria yaheirwo kambuni ithatu kiumbe itongoretio ni MINET niguo kurugamirira insurance ya arimu. Makiuga ikoretwo ikigereria arimu menyamaro riria riothe mathie kumatha motungata ma urigitani mathibitari-ini. Kuona kaingĩ ni mangathagia nginya kuhitukia kurigitwo kwa arimu na mithingi itari kiene.
They know very well that they have entered into a medical scheme, when we put it in quotes because doesn't work, which is not workable.
Recently, Bungoma life care teachers have been spending on the waiting bay, waiting for approvals. If it declines, they spend there till we had to redirect them to Bungoma West Hospital. Some are told they are pretending to be in hospital, so approvals are declined.
When teachers go to certain hospitals, especially police, they are treated, but they are not given medicine. They go out again and buy the medicine. So this to us is not like they are providing full health care because it is the medicine which is expensive.
Mwene-ini wacio kambuni ici ithatu cia kuheana motungata ma insurance cia MINET, MAKL na Bliss ni ihamurithirio kuma gikaro-ini giki thutha wa murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya MINET kungathia gwikinyia na handu-ini hake atuma arugamiriria honge itiganite kambuni-ini iyo. Iguo kwa bunge makimukuruhania na kwa gukua na uritu ndereti ino igie insurance ya arimu.
You need to know there is a problem. Don't try to cover MINET. There is a problem. Teachers are not getting services. Teachers are admitted and frustrated, and we must address them.
Kirivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunya.